Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how green tea powder is made, starting with the initial cultivation. The journey begins with the Camellia sinensis plant. About 2 to 4 weeks before harvest, farmers shade the tea plants from direct sunlight. This crucial step boosts chlorophyll levels, giving the leaves their vivid green color. It also increases amino acids, particularly L-theanine, which contributes to the tea's unique umami flavor and natural sweetness. This careful preparation sets the stage for high-quality green tea powder. After the shading period, the tender, young tea leaves are carefully harvested, typically by hand, during the spring months. Once picked, these fresh leaves are immediately transported for processing. A critical step is steaming, where the leaves are flash steamed for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. This rapid steaming halts enzymatic oxidation, which is vital for maintaining the leaves' bright green color and preserving their delicate amino acid profile and other beneficial nutrients. It's a quick but essential stage. Following the steaming, the tea leaves are moved to large ovens where they are thoroughly dried. This process significantly reduces their moisture content, preparing them for the next stages. The dried leaves, now referred to as araca, undergo a meticulous sorting process. Machines and skilled workers remove any stems, veins, and other coarse parts, ensuring only the purest leaf material remains. This refined product, consisting solely of the leaf flesh, is known as tencha, and it is the direct precursor to green tea powder. The final and perhaps most iconic step is grinding the tencha into a fine powder. Traditionally, this is done using large stone mills, often made of granite. This is a remarkably slow and deliberate process. A single stone mill can take approximately 1 hour to produce just 30 grams of green tea powder. This slow pace is crucial as it prevents excessive friction and heat buildup, which could otherwise damage the tea's delicate flavors, vibrant color, and nutritional integrity, ensuring a superior final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.